Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am grooming my eyebrows because as you can see, they are desperately in need of being done. So let's get started. So I'm using this spoolie brush to go ahead and brush my eyebrows out. My eyebrows are very thick and I don't get them done regularly throughout the year. I really only get them done once or twice a year just to make sure that my eyebrows stay thick. I found that getting them done too often thins them out, so I like to avoid that by just trimming them and doing them myself. I'm going to use these scissors to go ahead and trim away at the excess hairs that have outgrown the shape of my eyebrow. So I just like to trim away at the top. I also like to brush my eyebrows in the opposite direction when trimming them, so brushing them downwards. This allows me to trim the hairs at the very top of my eyebrow to make sure they're properly trimmed and shaped as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use these tweezers to pluck away at the hairs that have grown outside the shape of my eyebrow. Again, my eyebrows grow very thick, so they tend to grow all over the place. So I like to make sure I pluck those hairs as well. So I've picked up another pair of tweezers. The other pair was a little too sharp and I was afraid of cutting myself. These tweezers are a lot more dull, so it allows me to better grasp the hairs without worrying about cutting my skin. So I'm going to use this razor to shave away at the top and the bottom parts of my eyebrows so that I'll have a cleaner look. So when grooming your eyebrows, you also want to make sure that you have alcohol and a cotton pad on deck. So when using these razors and these tweezers, you don't know what kind of bacteria you're putting into your eyebrows. So I like to make sure that I thoroughly clean them with alcohol when trimming and plucking and brushing, just so I can avoid any bacteria growing in that area. So that eyebrow is done, so let's go ahead and start on the left eyebrow. So I'm going to do the same things that you saw me doing with my right eyebrow. Brushing, trimming, plucking, the same routine, just on the opposite eyebrow. Now this eyebrow though, for some reason it doesn't grow as well as my right eyebrow does. Right in the middle of my eyebrow, it just stops growing in alignment with the shape and it just goes haywire. So I like to make sure I take my time to get the shape that I'm looking to achieve with my eyebrow so it's consistent with my right eyebrow. This eyebrow just gives me problems, so I just want to take my time to get the shape that I'm looking for. I am in the same boat as all you other ladies in terms of not being able to go out and get your eyebrows and nails and all that stuff done. So shaping my own eyebrows is a little bit challenging, but honestly, it really didn't take me long to do this, and I was able to get the look that I was looking for. And honestly, the way these turned out, I may not go back out and get them done by anyone else. I always have to thoroughly instruct whoever's doing my eyebrows on how to properly shape them. My eyebrows are weird. Again, they don't grow consistently. They don't grow the same. So I always walk whoever's doing my eyebrows through doing my eyebrows. So I was happy with the look that I've achieved. So I'm probably just going to end up doing them myself from now on. So I'm using this Milani Stay Put brow color in dark brown to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm also using this random brush that I've had for forever now to fill in my eyebrows. I like to use a brush because I find that the bristles of the brush coincide with the hairs of my eyebrow. I don't really like to use a pencil or anything. I just feel like it looks like you're coloring them in. Whereas with a brush, you kind of mimic the hairs of your actual eyebrow. And I'm using this spoolie brush to make sure that I really thoroughly blend the brow color into my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Forever concealer that I've had also for forever now, to the point where I can't even tell you guys the exact color of this. I am so sorry, it faded away. But I'm using this concealer to clean up my eyebrows just at the top and at the bottom. This allows me, when putting makeup on and filling in my eyebrows, to just clean up any areas that might have smudged or any areas that aren't as thoroughly plucked. So here is the final product, guys. My eyebrows came out really good. I am so happy with them. Again, I am probably going to just continue to do this on my own from now on. So I hope you guys really liked my video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.